Hey, greetings everybody. Had a request recently from a customer to create a custom sequence in the SailBot app, and I thought this would be a good opportunity to put a quick tutorial together on how to do that and also how to share sequences with other SailBot users. So you can create a custom sequence and send it to anybody on your race committee so that you can take turns in the boat. So let's start by, you can see I have a custom sequence here chosen. It's called lasers. And if we just tap on that and we want to create a new custom sequence, so we tap on create a custom sequence there. Now this sequence, they want a 3-minute start for laser radials, and then they have an extra minute in their sequence, and then laser standard rigs start a minute after the laser radials. And then they have sunfish in the mix as well that start 1 minute after the laser full rigs. So overall, the entire length of the sequence is 5 minutes. So let's tap down here in the lower left where it says 3-minute duration, and we'll change that to 5. So it's a 5-minute total duration for the sequence. And then at the 5-minute mark, which is the start of the sequence, we'll tap in the signals box and we'll add 3 long signals. And to do that, you just tap in the box and choose add long signal 3 times. And then what I did, I wrote this out on a piece of paper. So 5 minutes, 4 minutes, 3 minutes, 30, 3 minutes. It helps just keep it straight when you're working on something like this where you have a 3-minute signal at 5 minutes. So let's go to 4 minutes, which will be the 3-minute mark in the laser radial start, 4 minute, and we'll add 2 long signals there. And 3-minute 30, 1 long signal, and 3 short. And then at 3 minutes, 1 long signal. At 2 minutes 30, 3 shorts. And you can see there's no 2-minute 20. Well, what do we do here? I accidentally tapped on the flag box there. You can put flags in if you want, and that will be self-explanatory. I'm not doing that. But 2 minutes, 20 seconds. Well, you simply tap zoom in the lower right, and you can see now we're at 10-second increments. So at 2 minutes, 20, we'll do 2 short signals. And at 2 minutes, 10, 1 short signal. Oh, now I want a 5, 4, 3, 2 long signal. So we'll zoom in again. And you can see we're at 5-second increments. But let's zoom in one more time and we're at 1-second increments. So let's go down to 2 minutes, 5 seconds. And we'll do a short signal. 2 minutes, 4 seconds, a short signal. 3 seconds, short. 2 short, 1 short, and then at 2 minutes even, a long signal. So that will go meh, 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 meh. So there's your laser radial start. And then for laser full, we want to go down to 1 minute, 30 seconds. And we'll do 3 short signals so that the full rigs know that there's 30 seconds before their start. And at 20 seconds, 1 minute 20, we'll do 2 short. And 1 minute 10, 1 short. 1 minute 5, minute short, 4 short, 3 short, 2 short, 1 short, and at 1 minute, a long signal. And then we'll go to 30 seconds. This is for our sunfish. 3 short signals at 30 seconds. And then 20 seconds. 2 short signals. 10 seconds. 1 short. And then 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And along. Great. Now we'll tap on save. And we'll name this laser, and sunfish. Save. And you can see here, I can choose that as my sequence, laser, and sunfish. If we want to have a prep sequence, 5-horn warning, you can choose that there. You can edit that, create a custom prep sequence, number of races. We'll just do 1 and start time. So you can set a GPS start time here. And that's a little bit about how to create the sequence. Now, say you have other race committee who volunteer and you want to go out and race on your laser or your sunfish. And you want to send this sequence to somebody else so they can be stuck in the rowboat with the SailBot. So you just tap on the sequence there. Tap on the little up arrow with the squarish U underneath it on the right-hand side of the sequence. And you can see, you can airdrop it, you can share it with your beautiful wife or your kids, or best way is by mail. Tap on mail, and then you can, it just attaches this as an attachment to the email, and you can enter who it's to, click send, they'll receive it. Word of note on sharing, it doesn't share well by iMessages, unfortunately. And that's an iOS limitation that we're working on addressing. But for the time being, you can't text these because iMessage doesn't know what a SailBot sequence is, and it just doesn't work well. So best to use email, and it works very, very well. When they receive the email on their phone, they just tap on the sequence. If they have the SailBot app installed on their phone, it will go right into SailBot and be a custom sequence that they can choose. So thanks for watching.